Hello, my name is Dave LeClair. I'm from Unitrends, and I'm here to talk about the future of hybrid cloud backup solutions. We know IT administrators and executives have a lot on their plate. As an industry, we're dealing with an absolute explosion in the amount of data, the number of servers, the number of files. They're growing at an exponential rate. In the next few years, we expect to see a 10x increase in the amount of servers and a 50x increase in the amount of data. At that same time, we're also seeing an absolute plunging in IT's confidence in their ability to recover from outages in their environment. This recent survey that's been taken over the past few years by Forrester indicates that in 2007, only 30% of enterprises were able to recover from their most recent outage in less than an hour. And 30% is much higher than what it is today. That number's plunged all the way down to 2% in the most recent version of the survey back in 2013. As a result, we know your business is also putting tremendous demands on you as well. Your business leaders are asking you to innovate faster and deliver more innovation and execution than you ever have had to deliver before. One of the ways the industry is getting to faster execution and more innovation is to focus more and more energy into cloud-based solutions. Unitrends recently did a survey of over 1,600 IT administrators, and we found that, no surprise, almost 2/3 of enterprises are working on cloud-based solutions. So we're moving to a very cloud-driven world. In particular, we asked them what specifically they were using their cloud implementations for. And not surprisingly, backup, disaster recovery, business continuity solutions were at the top of the list of what was going on. So, therefore, it's somewhat logical to ask, are you using cloud today for backup and DR? And if not, why not? And if you are beginning to use data protection and DR solutions built into the cloud, are those solutions built for a cloud-driven world? Or are they actually just simply bolt-ons that have been added onto existing legacy backup solutions? If it's the latter, if they're simply bolt-on, you really need to consider whether you're using a solution that is going to help you in this cloud-driven world to get to meet all your objectives in the future. Not all cloud backup solutions are the same. For example, just a few examples of things that separate the different solutions out there. Data population, if you have terabytes of data, can take weeks without actually having a solution that does proper cloud seeding. And worse, if you actually have a disaster or need to recover that data for even a minor incident, it can take even longer. Pulling down data over a WAN connection, if it's many terabytes, even with a fast WAN connection, can take much longer times than what most people can withstand for their RPO. As a result of that, we are encouraging people to look at solutions that include cloud seeding. If you're looking to use cloud for your disaster recovery as well, you need to look at how fast those VMs can be spun up in your cloud environment. Is the vendor actually delivering you an SLA that meets your objectives? And are they doing more than just simply spinning up your VM? Are they actually verifying that at an application level, your workload is performing exactly as you expected, so that you know without a doubt when you have a disaster that your environment is going to be there and work exactly as you anticipated? We believe hybrid cloud solutions, the hybrid appliance that actually delivers powerful integrated simplicity and delivers virtually infinite scale for data protection is the right way to prepare yourself for the future. If we look at where the future of backup is going, we believe that converged hybrid cloud solutions are where we as an industry are going to get to. If we look at backup solutions kind of going back in time a little bit, originally we started with legacy backup solutions where you as a customer would have to acquire all the different components of your backup solution, the software, the hardware solution, the operating system, and you'd have to integrate it all yourselves. The first backup appliances, whether they're physical backup appliances or virtual backup appliances, appeared several years ago, and they really eliminated that integration challenge. They made it much easier to deploy these solutions, but they really only focused on that ease of integration. Where we've gotten to today is what we're kind of calling Backup Appliance 2.0, which looks at a fully integrated cloud backup appliance that integrates cloud, on-premise, local backup, as well as recovery assurance capabilities that allow you to verify that your on-premise and cloud-based solutions are completely in sync or operating the way you'd expect, that you're going to be able to meet your SLAs. However, where we believe we're going to be getting to in the not too distant future is what we're considering cloud backup, backup appliance 3.0. And that's where we're operating in an environment where we have multiple clouds. You're not going to have a single cloud that meets all your needs. You're probably going to have a on-premise private cloud. You may have things in Amazon. You may have stuff in Google. You may have stuff in VMware. And once we have all those environments up and running, we can have data portability moving between those different environments to maximize our data protection and maximize our uptime. However, that's going to take a solution that actually understands that you're operating in that sort of multi-cloud environment. So Unitrends is a company that understands this and focuses on delivering radically simple, comprehensive hybrid cloud backup and recovery solutions. When we look at best-in-class appliances, again, whether they're physical or virtual, it doesn't matter. We need to actually have appliances that provide flexible enterprise capabilities in a single solution that deliver not only radically simple local backup, but cloud integrated DR and long-term retention in the cloud. We're also looking for solutions that can deliver instant recovery of Windows and virtual machines, both locally and in the cloud, have advanced disaster recovery capabilities that include recovery assurance so that you can have absolute confidence that your DR environment is going to be there and function exactly as you'd expect it when you need it most. And that's exactly what we deliver with our solution. We have a portfolio that includes both physical and software backup appliances that are completely cloud empowered, deliver data protection both on-premise as well as backup copies in the cloud. We can, in addition, add disaster recovery capabilities into those cloud environments. So once we have your backup copies into either the Unitrends cloud or potentially we also support hyperscale clouds such as Google and Amazon for storing backup copies. But once we actually have your backup copy in the Unitrends cloud, we can then spin up and use our capabilities to deliver disaster recovery as a service, making sure that your most critical workloads are available within a 1-hour SLA, regardless of what's happening on your on-premise solution. We also have a solution called Reliable DR that delivers complete recovery assurance so that you can be absolutely confident that we've tested your environment. You can set up those tests so that they're automated, they happen on a regular time period, whether that's weekly, daily, or every couple hours. And you get a report that basically guarantees that your SLA is going to be met in your DR environment if you need to rely on that. So our Unitrends cloud is available today. We have a couple different solutions. We have a solution that actually protects your entire appliance, or you can also buy on a per gigabyte per month basis our Forever Cloud solution that delivers completely infinite retention within that cloud. We have the ability to support both VMware and Hyper-V as well as Windows workloads in our DRaaS environment, and we can use our Reliable DR product to guarantee recoverability and single button failover as well. Our data centers are available in multiple countries. We have them in the United States, Canada, UK, Germany, and in Australia. Our DRaaS, as I said, delivers always-on capabilities in minutes. If you have a disaster, so you simply need to declare it. Within 1 hour, we will have your critical workload spun up using the backup copies that we've stored in the Unitrends cloud. That way, you don't have to worry about spinning up and supporting your second site DR location. We also have another solution that allows you to, if you don't want to utilize the Unitrends cloud, you can actually use our tool called Boomerang, which allows you to migrate workloads seamlessly from a VMware environment up into the Amazon AWS cloud. We take care of all the machine transformation, so that with a single button, we can move your VMs from VMware up to Amazon and move them back. So you can use this for cloud bursting, you can use this for DR, you can use it for simple cloud migration as well. All this is one of the reasons why DCIG, in their most recent hybrid cloud backup appliance buyer guide, listed us the best-in-class appliance with our Unitrends Recovery 943S. We also have a number of other appliances that were rated excellent and recommended in an appliance. We were clearly the leader in that independent study. So at this point, I'm going to wrap up. I'll invite you to visit us in booth 813, where you can see exactly how easy data protection and DR can be. We'll also have a few other talks going on this week. For example, there's one today actually on delivering confidence in an uncertain world with VMware, Unitrends, Google, and Amazon. So hopefully see you at one of those other talks. I also have another talk here tomorrow actually on our new user interface and simplicity of backup. With that, I'll thank you and invite you to stop by our booth.